joined it like this, drawn an arc like this. After that you can give the names to the points. Here I have given name M, N, and here at this point it is intersecting, so I have given here point O. Now by opening the compass, or by taking the radius till the distance of point M and N, till this taking, I have opened like this. Now you need to put the compass on point O, means you need to take O as a center point, and the new arc we will intersect. Okay, like this it has intersected. Okay, now at the point where the arc is intersecting, we need to mark their point P, and we need to draw a line which will pass through the point P and point X. Okay, so name, as it is already given in the statement, we need to use same name, that is R and S. So by passing through point P and X, I have drawn I have marked here a line straight which is R S. Okay, clear? So beta, here you can see all these three lines are parallel to each other. If beta AB is parallel to PQ, and they are saying that PQ is parallel to RS, so obviously these two will be parallel to each other also. AB will also be parallel to R and S. Clear? I hope you understood. Now we are going to move on the sum number 5. So let's see the statement. Sum number 5 statement is, let L be a line and A be a point. L we need to draw a line and A will be a point which is not on L, means it should be above the L line or it should be below the L line. Okay, now through point A draw a line. By passing through point A we need to draw a line M. Then line which we draw, that name should be M, and it should be parallel to L, means we need to construct a parallel line to L whose name should be M. Means if you can see the statement till this, it means that you need to follow all the steps which you have followed for sum number 1. Now join A to, we need to join point A to any point B on L, means now we need to take one more point B which should be on L. Choose any other point C on M. Now one point B we take on L and another point C which we take on M line. Through C draw a line parallel to AB. Now from C point we need to draw a parallel line, the name should be, that is A and B. Let this meet L at D. Now after that we need to let that line DL meet at D point. What shape do the two sets of parallel lines enclosed? We need to tell that which figure the parallel lines are making. Okay, so here there is a one rough sketch which I have made for you. So this type of diagram we need to make. Okay, so let's start. So very firstly we need to draw a line that should be L, okay, which is already mentioned in the statement, and we need to take point A not on line L. So I have taken the point A which is not on L, I have taken it above the L line. Now we need to take one more point, that I have taken here point P which is on line L. Then we need to join these 2 points with the help of scale. We need to draw a straight line with the help of scale which will join A and P point. Okay, now after that we need to follow all the steps which we follow for sum number 1 to draw a parallel line. We need to draw one more parallel line which name will be M. So by taking P as a center, I will draw an arc which will intersect line AP as well as line M. Okay, so I have drawn like this an arc. Okay ji, so 2 points have been made, here point Q and here point R. By taking the same distance, the point which I have marked A on the line A above the L line, by taking A as a center, I need to draw one more arc like this. Okay, sorry beta, again I will show you. Like this one arc we made. Now by taking the distance from P till R, from point Q till R, by taking the distance like this, we will, from here we draw an arc which will intersect the new one arc. Okay, so now I have given here the name, that is F. Now we draw a line which will passing through the point F and passing through the point A. Okay, so we will draw a line with the help of scale which will pass through these 2 points. If we will pass from these 2 points the line we draw, that line I have given the name M, which is as per the given statement. Okay, after making this line, what we need to do? We need to mark one another point which will be on line L, and I have given here the name, that is B. Okay, after marking here the point, we need to join the A point and B point with the help of scale. Okay, now beta we will follow the same steps which we are following here, but now we need to take AB as a baseline, means now which we new one line we will draw, new parallel line we draw that from point A B. Okay, AB ਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ parallel line ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ draw ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. Okay, so after taking point B, I will also take one more point C which is on M. Okay, as per the statement, in the statement also they have written point C which should be on line M. So same point I have taken C on the line M. Okay, anywhere you can take. Now after that I will follow the same steps. Firstly I will take B as a center and I will draw one arc which will intersect AB as well as which will intersect L line. Okay, no, so first of all we will beta, but not by not taking B as a center, we will take A as a center, A point as a center. We will take A point as a center and we will draw an arc. Okay, so it will intersect at G and H. Clear? After taking it, what we need to do, by the same radius and taking point C as a center, we draw another arc. Okay, one more arc we draw. Clear? Which will intersect line M at any point, and you can give the name to that point T. Okay, I have given here point T. Now after that we will take the distance from point G till point H. This much radius we can take. By taking this much radius, what we need to do, we need to take the new one arc. Here it was intersecting na, so from here it was intersecting to this one line, है ना. So by taking T as a center, we draw an arc which will intersect this new one arc. Here it is intersecting. Now from here it is intersecting. After intersecting it, what we do, we will mark here a point and we will join the point C till point we will draw a line which will passing through point C and point, here I am going to write U, any name you can take. Okay, from these 2 points passing, we will draw one more line which will touch to the line L. Okay, clear? So now beta 2 parallel lines which we have formed now, that is AB and CD. So you can see they are making a figure and this is a shape of parallelogram. Okay, so these two lines are parallel to each other, so they are making the figure, they are making the shape, that is a parallelogram. Clear? I hope you understood, but I know that today's video is little lengthy, but I think it is required to make you understand the concept, and yeah, and I am thinking that you are able to understood this and you are able to do these 2 sums by yourself. Okay, thank you beta ji, have a nice day. वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह.